program is not suitable for small children, the elderly, and certain types of goats. Parental discretion is advised.
Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I was the eighth. But I bent her over and banged her, and they deleted me from the books. Oompa, oompa, oompa-dee-doo. You know all the characters. There was Dopey, Sleepy. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I was horny. She didn't eat a poison apple, ladies and gentlemen. She didn't. That's a lie. She choked.
Oh, nice. Looking good. Oh, even better, Doc. Looking great. Oh, yeah. Not so good. Whoa! Hey, oh, God, terrible. Back to one. Timmy's World, you gotta play Dayton Timmy's World. Timmy's World, Timmy's World, you gotta play Dayton Timmy's World.
I know I'm not supposed to be listening to Mommy when she talks to her new friend Gary, but they were funny the other day. They were talking about Mommy's new pet beaver. Yeah, she was talking about how Gary can make the beaver's tail quiver in such ways that she's never seen or experienced before. She starts to scream. That's funny. I guess Daddy, he couldn't do that because he couldn't raise his fire hose to spray down the beaver. I got a great fire hose on the truck. I can spray down Mommy's beaver.
Oh, Mr. Alien, should I get naked and ready for probing?
Jackpot! I'm telling y'all, you don't know what you're missing. So the next time you use a phrase like, you're in deep shit, that's a crock of shit, or shit happens, just know I'm out there every single day working hard and looking for my next meal. Nom 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 nom. Now, if you all wouldn't mind, quit ripping on my food supply, cause right now, I'm full of shit.
You wanna meet up? Alright, that's cool, man. For some beers? Yeah? You'll give me one of your luchador masks? Holy where do you want to meet, bro? Hooters? You'll buy the beers? Oh, dude, I'll be there at 5. Hell yeah!
Bad one. Oh, man. month I get home from Hooters. Oh, God. Why is my ass burning? Oh, my crack hurts so bad. Oh.
What the f? What are you doing in my bed? Oh my god! And you're f***ing naked! Get the f*** out of my room! What the f? Get out! Get out! Oh god! What the f happened?